Python if statement. So you want to make your code make decisions? You got to know about the if statement, my friend. This little block of code only does its thing if its condition is true. It's like, hey, only do this thing if this other thing is also true, K? Here's the basic structure. If the condition is true, the code inside the if statement gets executed. If not, it's like, nah, we're good, and skips over it. Let's try an example. Say you want to check if a number is positive, negative, or 0. First, you got to get that number, right? Now for the if statement. Type if, and then the condition, like, if the number is greater than 0, and put a colon at the end. Anything indented underneath the if statement is what gets executed if the condition is true. So if it is, we can do something like, in this example, the if statement checks if number is greater than 0. If it is, we get a message saying, that number is positive, my dude. Nice. So, if our condition is true when we get to the if statement, we're going to run that code. Otherwise, we just skip it. Easy peasy. In this flowchart, the process starts at the start node and then moves to the condition node, which is represented by a diamond shape. If the condition is true, the process will move to the action node, which represents the code block that will be executed if the condition is true. If the condition is false, the process will move to the end node without executing the code block.